it's Gina with your note of the week. This week I want to talk about the discountable field on the item master. So I'm going to go into inventory items, and I'm just going to call up an item. I'll use my golf cap. Now by default, when you build an item, it's automatically checked for discountable. That's this field right here. When you uncheck discountable, it means that this item will not be included in a transaction discount. Now, a transaction discount is different from a price override, so let's talk about that. A price override would be an example of, I have several items on a ticket. I just want to discount one of them. I'm going to highlight that line and I'm going to override the price. A transaction discount, multiple items on the ticket. I apply a discount to the entire document. That's a transaction discount. So any item where discountable is unchecked will not apply to a document discount. So I'm just going to save my changes here, and I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to just log into point of sale. And I'm going to sell a few items. I'm going to sell my golf cap, and a travel bag, and a stand, and some golf balls. Now, these are all at full price right now. So I'm going to go to document discount, which means I'm going to discount the entire document. I'm going to select a discount code, so I'm just going to do a prompted amount. And I'm going to discount by $100 and click OK. Now notice everything got a discount except the golf cap. Now if you have the proper security, it does not stop your sales associate from highlighting this line and using the price override feature. I happen to have the proper security, so I'll click OK. Well, let me make that $9 instead of $93, and I'll say OK. So notice unchecking discountable does not prevent someone from doing a line price override. Hope this helps. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.